Hi everyone! Today I'm setting up my new habit tracker and I'll show you exactly how easy it is to get started. So here's my Goodnotes. I already have it open and I'm importing the habit tracker. I just tap New, Import, grab it from my downloads, and it's ready to go. I'm gonna do it for both the pre-filled and the blank version, and I'm gonna show you what the differences are. This is basically a PDF file that I'm gonna put into Goodnotes, but you can use any other app that takes a PDF file. It's really easy to use. You can see this is the pre-filled version, and then we have the blank version, and you can just add all your things that you want to track. So it's up to you how you'd like to use it. Let's switch over with the pen tool and go to the overview, where you can see that we have yearly and monthly layouts. Each of these trackers, which is 35 different trackers that you can see with the yearly and monthly, and also gratitude and extra pages included. Here are the yearly pages, each of them. And then here are the monthly pages where they have a little or something in the middle for you to make it more fun and enjoyable. So all of these have categories, so it's not random how they are after each other in this planner. I made it in like different sections, so you can also switch those up so you don't have to keep them in the same order. You have extra pages here also with the habit stacking. I'm gonna use that for sure. And yeah, when you click on the bar on the side, you can basically just go up and down and then delete whatever you don't want, or just switch around the order. So what I'm going to do now is basically color in each of these trackers that I'm going to use. I am going to use the highlighter tool to make sure that these colors are pretty cute. So we are gonna pick a color for each of these moods and color them in. And once we have all of them ready to go, then you can start tracking your progress every single day, and it's just gonna have such a cool impact on our lives, I feel like. Also, I'm going to color in all of these middle pictures. I'm not gonna bore you with all of these colorings, but this is what we are gonna do, and it's gonna be super cute. Let me show you one more thing with the working hours or work hours tracker. So I have a really flexible job. So what I'm gonna use it for, I'm just gonna make sure that every day I'll fill out my hours that I worked. So I just have a better idea of what I'm doing every month. The habit tracker is linked below. And if you like this kind of videos, please make sure to subscribe. Bye.